2021. My name is Dr. Sanjay Kamble. On behalf of RSSDI TV 2021 brought to you by Vocard, I welcome you all. Today we have with us a renowned diabetologist from Jaipur, Dr. Rakesh Parikh sir. And sir has a very exciting topic on metabolic syndrome for the today's meeting. So before the meeting, we would like to learn from sir few key messages that you would like to deliver to our audiences who are attending this conference.
Sure. So see, today we are living in the era of COVID pandemic, and the official figures say that in last 2 years we have lost around 5 million people to COVID worldwide. But that is not the biggest killer yet. Still, if you look at the number of people who are dying because of ischemic heart disease and stroke, in just single 1 year of 2019, we lost 15 million people because of these two diseases. And even in India, the death rate because of COVID, because of stroke and ischemic heart disease, we lost around 2 million people in 1 year. So these two diseases are the biggest killers worldwide today. Now that process of atherosclerosis which leads to these two doesn't happen overnight. It takes years altogether for the plaque to form. So can we do something in the early stage? Can we identify people who are at risk of getting this atherosclerosis? And if we can intervene and prevent these complications, we can probably save a lot of lives. So for that, there is a simple tool, that is metabolic syndrome. Now what is metabolic syndrome? Metabolic syndrome basically means that there is a conglomeration of risk factors. So somebody who has a central obesity, he would have high fasting plasma glucose, low HDL, high triglycerides and high blood pressure. These people are the ones who are at a higher risk of getting CV events. So if you can identify these people and intervene on time, you can prevent the complications. Now to define metabolic syndrome, there are several definitions proposed by different organizations. Those definitions make it very complex. So from our own group, we did some studies and we came up with a parameter that is called index of central obesity, which is defined as the ratio of waist circumference and height. So anybody whose waist circumference is more than half of his height is supposed to be centrally obese. And if he is centrally obese, then he should check for his blood pressure, his fasting sugar, his triglycerides and HDL. And if any of these two parameters are abnormal, then the person is having metabolic syndrome and you can act at that time and prevent the complications. So this definition of metabolic syndrome is very easy, and if we can apply it in the population, we can probably pick up the people at an earlier stage. This also gives a very simple message to the society. You can tell your patients that they should limit their waist size to half of their height, and by doing so they can prevent the complications. If their waist size is more than half of their height, then they should go to a doctor and get their blood pressure, fasting sugar, triglycerides and HDL checked. So that was all the crisp message of my presentation today.
Thank you, Dr. Parikh sir, for the wonderful words. Definitely, metabolic syndrome is a very big problem, as sir has said, and people really want to look at the statements that he made about measuring the height as well as the waist circumference to prevent this very important complications that may happen. Thank you, sir, for your time. We really look forward to for your the whole session, and that definitely would be a feast for the mind.
Thank you.
Sir.
Thank you very much.